Sri Lanka series part 3, Kandy Lake, serene, peaceful. Next, we were lured into a gem emporium. They ushered us into an underground mini theatre like we were about to watch a blockbuster Rajinikanth premiere. Instead of popcorn, we got a documentary on how these stones are pulled from mud, scrubbed and polished into greatness. Educational, yes. Clever trap, absolutely. Then a stroll through the workshop. Seeing the master craftsmen at work is incredible. The precision is mind-blowing. It's all very National Geographic until you realize you are being funneled toward the final boss level, the showroom. Here comes the prime target. They've got stones in every color of the rainbow and jewelry that could blind a pirate. Now, I'm not a gem guy and my idea of precious stones is a well-shaped barbel, but my friend, he fell for the sparkle. He made a purchase, felt like a king, and then, well, let's just say, we later found out tourist price is a very real, very expensive thing. Valid 0, Sri Lanka 1. To wash away the bitterness of overpaying, we stopped for the king of fruits, Durian. It's the only fruit that requires a hazmat suit and a sense of adventure. It smells like a gym locker but tastes like heaven. Never mind that. We continued our journey. We hit a scenic road and stopped for lunch at a restaurant perched right nearby a waterfall, as well as a river and some wonderful scenic hills. The ambience was cool. It was pretty large restaurant and not much crowded. To be honest, the food was a bit like a cold shoulder, pretty disappointing. The bread, the vegetables, the rice, the chicken, everything was cold. We did a quick round of the local artifacts downstairs before hitting the balcony again, because for that view it was to die for. The air up here, pure oxygen. The view worth every penny we overpaid for that gem earlier. It's the kind of scenery that makes you want to write poetry or at least take 45 identical photos for the gram. The mist was rolling over the peaks like a blanket. It's dramatic, moody, and it's perfect backdrop for my contemplative traveler pose. I might not be a gem person, but I am definitely a this view is the real treasure person. See those hills, they've been here for millions of years. Spectacular, and yet they don't charge a tourist tax just to look at them. Take notes, gem shop. We had a quick look at the falls nearby. A small but beautiful one. Then we continued our journey. Stick around because there is plenty more to come. Sri Lanka has a lot to offer. Stay tuned, guys, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.